So today we broke more than 20 records, acceleration and braking ones, setting up some really respectable times. With the control systems that we have on Nevera, it was quite easy to achieve all of the records. You can literally eat an ice cream while doing most of them. In terms of harder ones, it would be 0 to 60 times, achieving it under 1.8 seconds on street tires, unprepped surface, on a normal asphalt. So that was quite a challenge because you need to have everything in its perfect position regarding temperature outside, regarding the tire temperature and tire pressures.
We got them all.
We targeted several braking records today, but the most challenging one was the 0 to 400 to 0 kph, and we are very happy because we beat the world record.
We are here at Papenburg today, and we invited two very important partners to us, which are Dewesoft and RaceLogic, to measure the performance of the car and to validate the records that we did. In the car at the moment we have the Dewesoft latest and greatest, the new Navion, which is an inertia measurement unit. When doing this kind of measurements, it's very important to have redundancy. That's why we also have RaceLogic P-Box on board. All this equipment help us to measure the performance of the car in a very precise and fine way. All this equipment not only relies on the pure GPS data, but it also relies on internal accelerometers of the IMUs. With this exercise, we learned a lot about the performance of the car. Of course, we were expecting something, but we overachieved once again.
Our new inertial navigation platform, Navion, and data acquisition allowed us to work with confidence and gave Rimac the necessary data to tune the car aerodynamics to perform at this level.
We measured today speed, acceleration, deceleration, and I've seen the results for the first time. It was unbelievable. The results are not from this earth.
Up to 350 kph, we were only using a standard aerodynamic configuration, but for speeds above 350 kph, we needed to set up a special aerodynamic configuration to maintain stability and performance of the car.
The Nevera has a brake-by-wire system that combines the regen from the electric motors and also friction brakes from Brembo, which are carbon ceramic with 6 pistons calipers at the front.
So we performed the older records with two different types of tires. One of them is our standard tire, Michelin PD F4S, which gives us a compromise between a great performance and all-rounder tire for all weather conditions. And then we decided to go for the Cap 2R tire just to see which was the advantage that we could gain with this more track-oriented tire, still a road-legal tire. It feels incredible. I've been working on this project for the last 3 years, and finally to be here and to be able to live this moment that comes only a few times in the life.